Guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to install Nvidia control panel in the Windows 11. So I give you simple step. Click to Microsoft Store. Here not show a Microsoft icon in your system, so you can search from search box. Open the Microsoft Store. Then you can click to app. No, you can search in the search box. So you can search Nvidia control panel. Now show you. So this is Nvidia control panel and click to get. Now this is downloading. So download and install finished. Now you can click to open. So you have a graphic card, so this is not showing this message. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye. Please share, subscribe, do not forget to comment.